Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are switching wigs. This one did pretty well. I didn't have no problems with it, but I'm just ready for something short at this point. Lace is still good. Never had no problems with the shedding or anything. But if remember last time, the last video, I sewed it down. But I'm going to show you guys my new growth. So it look good, don't it? Look good, right? Alright. Look like it's glued in. It is not. Look at all this. It is ready to come off. See that? I finally got it off. I'm gonna come back after I finish washing my hair, cleansing it, wash the wig before I put it back in the wig bag, and just give me a minute, 2 seconds really for you guys. But I'll be back. All back, and I'm going to do. I got this wig from Amazon. It's a bob. I don't know how to cut a bob just yet, but until then, I'll just be rocking this one I got from Amazon. I wish I knew how to cut. Well, I'm working on it. I just don't know how to do it just yet. Make it look asymmetrical. Just a 5x5 closure. Transparent lace, if you can't tell. But we gonna make this look good. Not so transparent. Where's my comb? So I'm just trying to get my part together. I know that I just slapped this bad boy on. So I just want to make sure I get my part right before I finish customizing it. Make sure my bob is equal. Is it straight? No. Thank you. Thank you for telling me. So this one right here, I really want this one to be glueless. Now we gotta match the lace. Match my skin to look like the lace. I don't know what it is about Amazon wigs. Some of them, they just thin. What I mean by thin, like right here, it look bald. But it's hair in there. Anyway, let's match this lace. Make it look good. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Let's see. Now we gotta get this ashy part together. Onto my hair net.
I have some tape, so I gotta keep worrying about putting foundation or powder for the part to match. What does the tape look like? It honestly looks like, we can't see. It looks like skin. Oh, dang it. So I just want to add that in here. So we put the tape up here without tape. With tape. I just got customized it so it don't look too black.
That's what it's gonna look like. Now let's see the difference. Much better. I'm thinking if I want to put my wig grip on, but I kind of got these clips in here. Okay. Molding. All I did was use some liquid gold. To mold this down. I don't want it to be on for a long time, just a short time. So that's why I don't want to use any glue. I just need it for today and take it off by the night. Done. This is the finished results. This is a 8-inch bob. I feel like a door. Backpack. Yeah. Anyway, this is what I'm gonna be rocking for, honestly, whatever. Since this is glue, it can be glueless, up to you. But since I made this one a glueless one, it's gonna be my whenever, throw if it get hot outside, or if I don't feel like having long hair, we're gonna rock with this. You see that bounce? See that body? But until then, I'll be rocking this one. I really need to learn how to cut, not even cut, cut a blunt bob. I'm still working on that, but until then, this is what you got. This is from Amazon. Transparent lace, 5x5 closure. I really don't care too much about front tooths. I will rock a closure in 2 seconds. Front tooths just don't do it for me. Until then, I'll catch you guys later.